Axis Backpack's swivel pod lets you grab essentials without removing the bag. Ideal for fishing, hiking, or photography. With 30L total capacity, water-resistant build, reinforced base, and comfort-focused straps, gear secure and accessible. Designed for quick, single-day outings where speed and convenience matter most. GoCamp's compact the UATM Origin 800 is a modular power station delivering 800 watt of AC output. Stackable 80 double-tow batteries work independently or combine for larger capacity, swapping without power loss. With 13 ports, wireless charging, app control, and rapid multi-source recharging, it adapts from solo use to powering full campsite setups efficiently. Zero Breeze Mark II. The Zero Breeze Mark II is a portable air conditioner built for outdoor adventures, RV trips, and camping in hot weather. Weighing just 16.5 pounds, it runs on a battery or AC power, delivering rapid cooling even in high temperatures. With multiple fan speeds, low noise, and compact size, it's designed for mobility, comfort, and convenience, ensuring a refreshing escape anywhere. Dukan Loft Penthouse. The Dukan Loft Penthouse is a premium rooftop tent offering spacious comfort for campers. Built with weather-resistant materials and a quick setup mechanism, it provides panoramic views from elevated sleeping quarters. The interior features cozy bedding space, ventilation windows, and sturdy support, making it ideal for off-road vehicles and overlanding adventures, combining durability, style, and elevated camping luxury in one compact design. Ignic Fire Can. The Ignic Fire Can is a portable propane fire pit designed for safe, eco-friendly outdoor warmth. Its rugged ammo can-style body is easy to carry and store, while the mesh sides ensure a bright, even flame. Perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings, it eliminates smoke, sparks, and messy ash, offering a hassle-free way to enjoy a campfire experience anywhere regulations allow. Four-wheel e-bike converts from cargo hauler to micro camper, carrying 200 kilogram and 1,400 lels of gear. Solar panels extend range up to 50 kilometers daily, with fold-out bed, storage, fridge, and seating. Full suspension, hydraulic brakes, and modular design make it perfect for urban travel or off-grid escapes. Origin 800 Black Caney Pro. The Black Caney Pro is a portable high-pressure espresso maker built for coffee lovers on the go. With precise temperature control and durable construction, it delivers rich, cafe-quality espresso anywhere, whether camping, hiking, or traveling. Compact yet powerful, it operates with minimal setup, making it an essential gadget for those who want exceptional coffee beyond the kitchen. Go Tent. The Go tent uses an integrated air pump system to inflate itself within minutes, eliminating the hassle of manual pitching. Its weatherproof fabric, reinforced seams, and spacious interior make it suitable for various climates. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for weekend getaways, festivals, or overlanding trips, offering maximum convenience and comfort with minimal setup time. Boats platform, GoSun Camp 365. The GoSun Camp 365 is a foldable, lightweight camper that expands into a spacious, weatherproof cabin in minutes. Solar-ready and energy efficient, it includes smart storage, sleeping areas, and climate control for year-round use. Towing easily behind most vehicles, it's perfect for eco-conscious travelers seeking a portable home that balances convenience, sustainability, and adventure-ready comfort. The Raptor Boats platform is an inflatable, stable water platform ideal for fishing, diving, or relaxing on lakes and rivers. Built from heavy-duty PVC, it supports multiple people and gear while remaining easy to transport. Its modular design allows connection with other platforms, creating larger floating spaces for group activities or extended water-based adventures. Hitch Home. Hitch Home transforms your vehicle's tow hitch into a compact, foldable living module. Designed for road trips and camping, it offers built-in storage, a sleeping surface, and quick setup for overnight stays. Durable materials and weather-resistant features make it a versatile travel companion for adventurers who want home-like comfort without a bulky trailer. Zempire Pro. The Zempire Pro is a high-performance inflatable camping tent crafted for quick setup and extreme durability. With reinforced air beams replacing traditional poles, it withstands harsh winds while offering spacious, multi-room comfort. Large windows provide ventilation and natural light, while weatherproof materials ensure year-round usability. Ideal for families or serious campers seeking premium protection and convenience in challenging outdoor environments. BearWatch is a portable wildlife detection system designed to keep campers and hikers safe in bear country. Using motion sensors and alarms, it alerts you when large animals approach your campsite. Lightweight and easy to set up, it offers peace of mind without harming wildlife, making it an essential safety companion for backcountry trips and wilderness adventures. Advenate Hybrid. The Advenate Hybrid is a multifunctional avalanche safety tool combining a snow shovel, probe, and rescue gear in one compact unit. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, it ensures quick assembly in emergencies. Designed for skiers, snowboarders, and mountaineers, it saves space in your pack while offering life-saving versatility when every second counts in snow-covered environments. Baja is a versatile, modular, inflatable camping platform that can be configured for various outdoor uses. It serves as a cozy air mattress, a floating water lounge, or a sturdy tent base, adapting seamlessly to any adventure. Made from durable, waterproof materials, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and inflates quickly, ideal for van lifers, paddlers, and explorers who prioritize flexibility.